Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here, please subscribe followed by the bell. As we approach to the launching date of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, so far Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, I said that this foldable offers Android at its best, or in short peak Android, and I stand by that. Google may own Android, but Samsung arguably made the best of it, and called the result One UI, and you can enjoy One UI's fantastic power user features on pretty much any modern, flagship Samsung phone or tablet. But the Galaxy Z Fold 4 currently excites me the most, because it not only offers the best of Android, but it's both a phone and a tablet and even a PC, if you want it to be, courtesy of Samsung DeX. Next year, likely in August, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is coming as a yet another annual upgrade over an already excellent predecessor, hopefully slightly cheaper, very possibly with an included S Pen stylus, and a slot for it too. So let's consider this: the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be a phone, a tablet, a PC, and a digital notepad with its own stylus, combining a fantastic folding phone design with the stylus and handwriting features of the Galaxy S22 Ultra, plus the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra's powerful multitasking features, all in one device. Now that'll be hard to beat. Samsung sure didn't show weakness or doubt in its product when it released its first Galaxy Fold, even though boy was it kind of a mess. But after annual improvements paired with that confidence, the Korean giant now sells what I would valiantly argue is the greatest foldable phone ever, the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Google, on the other hand, has been rumored to be working on its own Z Fold competitor for years now. We also heard rumors that Google ended up canceling it, or at least clearly delaying it several times, supposedly in fear of not being able to compete with big boy Samsung and its foldable. But lo and behold, a recent tip from reliable leaker John Prosser gave us not only a look at what Google's first folding phone may be like, but it also gave me a glimpse of hope that Google may be on its way to finally unveil the Pixel Fold to the world. Possibly in May of 2023, at its annual Google I/O Developer Conference. It's been a long wait, here's hoping it doesn't get even longer. I'm not going to poke fun at Google for being a bit indecisive and slow. Better to release a polished product from the get-go, instead of launching a fragile, and arguably unfinished one like Samsung did with the first Galaxy Fold. Considering the amount of years Google has seemingly been working on the Pixel Fold, plus the fact that Samsung itself is likely going to be the supplier for its folding display, again, I'm actually optimistic that this will be a fantastic foldable, and a solid alternative to the Galaxy Z Fold. However, its rumored price of $1,799 is kind of a red flag. Bad news, I'm sure you won't be shocked if I tell you that the base Galaxy Z Fold 4 also costs $1,799, what a weird coincidence. However, Samsung's foldable is, again, the result of several generations of improvements, and has a ton of amazing power user features, not just the best multitasking on any phone, but also the Samsung DeX desktop mode too. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. One, peace out.